Hello everyone. Today's session, let's discuss about git stash. Git stash is a git command used to take temporary save and commit change in your working directory without committing them. This is helpful when you need to switch the branches or the pull updates but do not want to lose your work. Suppose we have two branches. One it is master branch and future branch. Okay, the future branch, you develop some future. Okay, but suddenly we need to switch to master branch. then but if you need to switch the master branch means like first we need to commit files, right? We need to commit files. After that we need to merge it. Without committing, what we can do means we can apply git stash. Git stash means it is kind of the backup. Okay, it will take the backup and it will the save the files. Okay, it will the save files, but whenever we require we can take back that the saved files, and we can proceed for further further future development like that. Okay, there are the basic commands in git stash. Git stash, it stashes the current changes tracked files only, means it saves the current tracked files. Okay, git stash hyphen u means it saves both, it saves untracked files. It saves the both tracked and untracked files. Okay, git stash list, it shows the list of the stashed changes. Okay, git stash apply means it applies the most recent stash. Like keep the stash in place. It applies the most recent stash means most recent backup which it took. Git stash pop means it apply and remove the most recent stash. Okay, git stash drop means it relates the specific stash. Git stash clear means it removes all stash entries. Yeah, now let's do practicals. Sudo then I'm creating directory stash example.2. Then I'm going inside this directory stash example.2. I'm in, then I'm editing it in the repository. It inits. Okay. Now I'm adding some content. I'm adding initial content to. I'm adding this line to date.txt using echo. Date.txt. See, this content is added. Then yeah, I'm moving this file to local repository. Git add, then git commit. Yes, now I committed this file to local repository. See, now what I'm doing means I'm adding once again some content into that file, but I'm not committing. Okay, I'm adding some content into data txt file, but I am not committing that files. Okay, see, I'm added files, but I am not committing. Committing means I'm moving all the files from working area to staging area, or staging area to local repository. Committing means okay. Now I need to switch. Okay, if what happens if without committing, okay, if we switch to other future other branch, then whatever the whatever the things which you not committed, it will not save, right? Okay, for that what you need to do before switching other branch, we need to do git stash. Git stash means it will take the existing tracked and tracked files as a backup. Okay, then you can check git status. So status, see it showed, right? Uh, See it showing the changes are not staged for commit. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm applying git stash. Git stash. Now it took the backup. Okay, whatever the recent commits I added, whatever the recent data I added without committing, that data it is took backup. Like it took backup of tracked and untracked files. Now, now git stash list. Now I can switch to other branch. I can do my work. Git checkout. I can leave now. I'm switching now other branch. Okay. For development for related work, I'm doing some development work. Okay. After completing development work, I'm coming to master branch. Now for doing some activities like previously we saved, right, using git stash. We need to complete that activity, then we are coming to master branch. Then I'm switching once again to master branch. Okay, now this uncommitted files is there, right? If these uncommitted files, I need to work once again means whatever the files we saved, right, using git stash, that need to apply. Okay, git stash, it is showing yeah, we added some lines which is uncommitted changes is there in data txt. So it is showing under list. This list is there. Okay. Again, need to apply git stash apply stash apply. Yeah, git stash apply. It we apply changes. Now we can move this file to uh, yeah, now we can move this file to local repository, like local repository. Yeah, this commit committed. Yeah, we inserted changes. Now we moved into local repository. Okay, previously what we did, like we not committed these two lines, right? Okay, without committing we switched to other lines. We completed some work, but we applied git stash. Git stash, it take as a it saved this work, right? Okay, we apply git stash, it saved this work. Whenever we require, we can apply this saved work, and we can finish this work. For dropping off this git stash, we created git stash, right? Need to drop this git stash, then git stash drop. See, this git stash we created previously, right? Using git stash. Okay, we applied, we completed work. Oh, now we are dropping this git stash. Yeah, we dropped using git stash drop command. We dropped. See, it is dropped. This is how the git stash command it works. Thanks for joining.